Okay, great minds, and welcome to Maths Marathon class for today. Okay, like we said in the last class, that today we are going to start with tackling problems and sets. Now we have one before us. But first of all, before we continue, anytime you are given a word problem like this, especially on sets, it's advisable that you read it twice or three times. In the first one, just go through it, try to digest. Then the second one, you might decide to start bringing out the data in the second, or you might choose to do it in the third one. In a science class of 42 students, each student offers at least one of math and physics. If 22 students offer physics and 28 students offer math, find how many students offer physics only. Now, from the first line, it says in a science class of 42 students, you notice that the universal set equals what? 42. Now, each student offers at least one of maths and physics. Now, from this, we observe that first we have two sets: set of students that offer mathematics and set of students that offer physics. And then out of the two sets, there is no student that does not offer any at all. All the students offer at least one of the subjects, or some offer both, but we are not told how many that offers both. Now, if 22 students offer physics, now let P equals students that offer physics, and then M equals students that offer mathematics, maths. And then they said if 22 students offer physics, that means P, number of P equals 22, right? And then number of M equals what? 28. And then find how many students offer physics only. And the number of students that offer physics alone is equal to number of physics intersection M prime. And this is what we are asked to find. Now let's draw the Venn diagram. Now this is the universal set U. This is a set of students that offer physics, set of students that offer mathematics. And this is the set of students that offer both, though we are not told. Now, we know that number of universal sets is the number of students both that offer physics and those that offer mathematics, and even those that do not offer any at all. All of them are in the universal set. Now, number of U is equal to number of P, those that offer physics, plus number of M, those that offer mathematics. Now, should in case there is intersection, there are those that offer both subjects, then we put minus number of P intersection M, so that there will be no repetition. And then finally, plus number of those that do not offer any of these courses. That's number of P union M or prime. P union M is this plus this. Then their prime is something that is outside, that is this area. So in case if there is any student that does not offer any at all. And then from the data, we have number of universal sets to be what? 40. Now equal to number of P, students that offer physics, is 22, plus number that offer mathematics, 28. Then number that offer both is X, globally yet. Then plus number that do not offer any. Because of this statement, each student offers at least one of maths and physics. What it means is that there is no student that does not offer any at all. So this equals what? 0. Then we have 40 equal to 22 plus 28 is 50 minus x. Of course, 0 is out already. Now we have to bring this one this place so that that minus sign will be eliminated and take this one to the other side. So we have x equal to 50 minus 40. Sorry, this is 42. We're using 40. This is 42, not 40. This is 42. Minus 42. And 50 minus 42 equals what? 8. Therefore, number of students that offer both equals what? 8. But now we are asked to get the number of students that offer physics, which is number of P intersection M prime. Therefore, number of P intersection M prime, and this number that offer physics alone, is equal to number that offer physics minus number that offer both subject, that is P intersection M. And that is equal to number that offer physics is what? 22. And then minus number that offer both is what? 8. And then 22 minus 8 equals what? 14. Therefore, 14 students offer physics only. You see, that is simple, is it not? Yeah, it's simple. It's simple. Okay, that is it. I hope you understood. It's very simple. So thank you for paying attention. Thank you for watching. Please try to follow us.